You think how many minutes is the trip?
wanna quickly play my computer. This shit, yeah.
Oh, don't say that. I'm gonna put this on.
See, this
I think video like these, right? Means I'm gonna post this. Oh my god, there's a car in front. That's scary. Why today got a lot of cars outside? Raining. Just drizzling, I mean. Everyone. Are they going on a field trip or something? This one? This one for more children, right? It's like this van. It is. I saw them wearing uniform. Okay, somebody press the stop button. Let's go into the bus lane. Shaky. Oh my gosh. Why is it so shaky? Lagi ko talaga napapansin pangalan nitong temple na to. Ayan o, Karma Compute.
What?
The name of the temple. Nah, didn't brush your teeth. I can smell your breath stinks.
What is called karma?
Your teeth stinks really. You didn't brush your teeth this morning.
Did I breathe out my breath?
Yeah, well, every time you
I
speak,
didn't.
every time you speak, I can smell it. So
Did I
don't do
breathe
that
out my
already.
breath? Did I breathe out my breath?
Yeah, I
I
can.
didn't. Did I breathe out my breath? Yeah.
It's not very clear anymore because of the rain. Oh my god, that's so. Why
I
so
should never trust Singapore.
Why did you say that? Or if this one, no handle, right? Cannot fly out of the bus. Umuulan, basa. Daming bus stop. I was telling them there's a lot of bus stops here. Right? Metro is nice. 7. We're almost there. Should be nice if it's sunny, right? We're going this way. Then we're gonna take another bus home.